Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Ribeiro, okay, hairstylist, okay, at home, and basically I've got so many calls from my clients and my friends asking me how to cut your hair at home and do touch-ups because no one can go out because of this um, lockdown. So basically it's not really difficult, but I don't want you to try too many things at home because obviously a professional is good at it, but the basic things I can show you what to do. Okay, as in if you have long hair and you just want to trim it, or you just want to trim your fringe, of how to actually manage it. Okay, so it's not difficult, but at the same time don't go wrong, and don't worry also if it goes wrong because hair grows, so there is no need to worry about it. uh, so now I'm just going to show you with my hair. I'm not going to cut it, but I just want to show you if you have your hair cut, and obviously you can't do layers and everything, but just the basic trim, like if you just want to trim the ends of it and it's looking dry and you can't do anything about it, obviously you just don't want to just chop it. So at least you know how you can do it at home. I can show you that. So basically you just have to make two sections from the back of your head. Okay, just two. Okay, bring it all in front. Okay, just bring it all. You can comb it out if you want. Like I've got curly hair, so it's very hard to comb everything in one length. So just you can, so that you can see what you're doing. So you can sort of what length you want of hair. Like if you want it here, if you want it higher, if you want it lower, you can see what you want. So you're taking your comb and your scissor. Okay, and you just combing your hair all in front, so you can see, look in the mirror. So I'm looking at the screen obviously, so I can see myself. So combing all the hair into one length, and then obviously everything goes from back to front, and all you got to do is keep the scissor straight and just go straight like this. Okay, cut straight like this, and the other side you measure and you cut again. So basically this side, and then you go on the other side. So see how much you want to cut, and accordingly cut. Don't cut too much. The other way of also doing it is like bringing all your hair up and cutting all from, so whatever drops is your is the end, you don't need to cut. So this part you just cut there. So basically you're taking off all the dry ends and all the ends which are not needed for your hair. So don't worry, and always use the right shampoo, right conditioner if you have at home. If your hair looks frizzy and you don't have any serums or something to use oil, or any type of oil. Just put a little water on it and just, so that frizz eases and settles down, so you don't have a problem with it in the day. Now it's getting hot, so you just have to take care of your hair too. So there's no need to worry about it. Okay, so I'm just going to show you also how after this also how to like blow dry your hair and maintain it. So let's go. Okay, see, now I've cut my hair. Okay, so it basically is much shorter than what you saw before, and looking more healthier and better. But I feel like I need to cut my fringe a little. Okay, just sort out my fringe. So since I'm a hairstylist, I can even put layers in my hair, but you don't try this. So just the basic cut of the length and just maybe your fringe you can. So I'm just going to show you how to cut the bangs. Okay, so it's really simple. It's not really difficult. So you can either do it, you can texturize it, you can point cut it, you can club cut it, do whatever you want, but as long as you get it little right to really what you want. So you can wet it also a little. So you're taking your fringe, you take a triangular section, Okay, so you can just take the comb if you want on the in this other hand of yours, that's the left hand, and you can hold it down. If you want full bangs, you will cut it straight like this. If you want side bangs, you will take it to the opposite side and then cut. So if you want it this side, you cut it this side. So this way, just hold it and you point cut to whatever you want, and then you have your bangs. So I don't want it too short, so I'm just cutting the ends of it so that it just looks okay, not too short. So you can also take a little and also point cut. So it falls. Once you dry it, you will actually know how it looks. So it's really simple. So the first step is take a triangular section, like something like this. Okay, and then if you want to first fully cut it, you can cut it this way. I don't want you to hold it into all ways, so just cut it this way. Or if you want, take it to the side. If you want the side bangs, take it to the other side and cut it, and then push it back into the. So well, here I am with shorter hair, guys, and I've just blow dried it. I know you'll not be able to blow dry yourself, so if you want, you can take an iron and maybe just iron your hair. So first you dry your hair completely, because never iron on wet hair, and then you can just take the fringe area or whatever area you want to just, you know, to smoothen out the frizz and settle the frizz and the curls out if you want. Otherwise you can just wear it simple if you don't want to blow dry. Obviously you're going to be at home, so you're not going to do any extra. So but only to trim it, so you just got to just cut it straight. Okay, the tips are, if you want, take a mirror behind also and check the length is all right, and maybe ask someone just to cut the bit which are up and down and stuff like that. Then also take your fringe in a triangular section, cut, point cut, and put it to the other side, cut, and so you get your side bangs and stuff. So it's very simple, it's not very difficult. At the end also you can put a serum. As I said, if you don't have serum, you can put some oil. Okay, never put it to the top of your head because this part gets oily the most, so always the bottom, and then gradually go up. Put it all together. I know everyone's hair has grown so much these few months and days that you need a haircut and you need touch-ups to be done and everything, but it's not possible. So stay at home, do not go out, okay, and just have patience until all this ends, because this is very important. Our life is more important, not all this. So basically just stay at home, only go out for your essentials, your basic things, wear a mask, your gloves, sanitize, just do everything so that this gets over with. Okay, all the best.